This video assumes that you've done all this and there is a problem somewhere in the system that needs resolved. The first thing we want to do is remove the detergent dispenser. To do that, pull it out as far as it can go forward without pulling it too hard. Then press the button at the rear of the dispenser and then pull it again to fully remove it. Afterwards, use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the 5 screws from the housing that were hidden behind the dispenser we just took out. Note the style of screw, as the ones in the middle are different from those at the top and bottom on both sides. Once the screws have been removed, you can lift up on the left side of the interface panel where the screws were removed. Sometimes this can be a little difficult, but the key is that the interface will pivot up on the side about 20 degrees. Then you can push it to the right and then pull away. Know that the board will be somewhat held in place by a wire harness and cable ties, so there is a limited range of motion on this board at this point. Next, you want to remove the 3 screws that hold the lid or the top of the washer in place as you see here with a Phillips head screwdriver. Once you have all 3 screws removed, you'll want to pull the washer top towards you and then lift up, removing the lid of the machine, exposing many components. If you wanted to get more room to maneuver the interface, these 3 wire harness clips would need pressed from the inside out and may be optional to what you're doing. At this stage, we want to access the board to test it from the damper system to see if the damper is the problem or if it is the board instead. There are 3 screws on the top of the main board, 1 on the plastic, then 2 on the metal cover. Once you have the screws from the metal cover removed, you can move the top of the cover by sliding it towards the front. Then there will be 1 final screw underneath.